Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hopefully you all will be fine and enjoying a good health. I am here from the platform of Leaders Boys High School, Habibabad. Today is third lecture of 7th class mathematics. This chapter was about rational numbers, which was second chapter of 7th mathematics. Exercise is today 2.2. Its question number is 1. In question number 1, he said find the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of the following rational numbers. He said you find the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of given rational numbers. How to find the rational number, additive inverse of rational numbers and multiplicative inverse of rational numbers? Let's see. Firstly, rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q. So P by Q, this is P by Q. This is a rational number. You want to find out its additive inverse. How you will find out its additive inverse? P by Q is this additive identity of additive identity is 0. So for finding additive inverse of P by Q, in this number you add such type of rational number which can give you the answer 0. So if you will add in it minus P by Q, then answer will come 0. How? P by Q plus minus minus P by Q. Now its LCM will come Q. Q will cancel with Q. P has left minus again Q has cancel with Q. P will come is equal to 0. This will cancel and 0 by Q is equal to 0. So its answer has come equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. So you can say that the additive inverse of P by Q is this one number. Minus P by Q is the additive inverse of positive P by Q. This was a additive inverse. For additive inverse, additive inverse of P by Q is minus P by Q. Now we will see its multiplicative inverse. For multiplicative, as from the name of multiplicative inverse, multiply mean P by Q. If it is a rational number P by Q, you multiply with it such type of rational number which can give you the answer 1. 1 is here the multiplicative identity. Now when you will take its reciprocal, when you will take its reciprocal, it will come Q by P. So when you will multiply any rational number with its reciprocal, then you will get answer 1. Q will cancel with Q, P will with 1 and 1 will come equal to 1. So answer has come 1. So you can say that the multiplicative inverse of P by Q is Q by P. This one is multiplicative inverse of P by Q of this one rational number. This one rational number is a multiplicative inverse. I hope the concept of additive inverse and multiplicative inverse you have understood. Now some questions are given in exercise 2.1. This is our exercise 2.2. In 2.2 exercise, find the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of the following rational numbers. In question number 1, total parts are 12. From 12 parts I solve here 5 parts, other all parts are similar to these one question, so you have to solve them by yourself. So first question is minus 7, its additive inverse and multiplicative inverse we have to tell them. Minus 7, if you will add in it plus 7, then will come answer 0. So plus 7 is, so additive inverse of minus 7 is plus 7. Plus 7 is a additive inverse of minus 7. Now its multiplicative inverse you have to need of taking its reciprocal. If suppose it is minus 7, in its denominator is 1, when you will take its reciprocal it will be a 1 over minus 7. So if you will multiply minus 7 with 1 over minus 7, then answer will come 1. So multiplicative inverse of minus 7 is 1 over minus 7. Next question is question number 2, 23. Question number 2 is 23. Solution, additive inverse of 23 will be minus 23 and multiplicative inverse will be 1 over 23. If you want to check its additive inverse of 23, how it is minus 23, you can check also. You can solve it you can check it by solving 23. Its answer should come equal to 0. Minus 23, if you will add, then it will come 0. Now for multiplicative inverse, if question is 23, its reciprocal is 1 over 23. If you will multiply, this will cancel and 1 will come answer. Like this way you can check this one question. Next is question number 3, minus 11. Its additive inverse is positive 11 and multiplicative inverse is 1 over minus 11. This you can also check. For additive inverse, firstly minus 11, add in it plus 11, then answer will be 0. For multiplicative inverse, minus 11, its reciprocal, multiply with its reciprocal, it will be 1 over minus 11. It will come equal to, this will cancel and answer will come 1. Next question is question number 5, minus 2 by 7. Its additive inverse will be plus 2 by 7. Additive inverse of minus 2 by 7 is plus 2 by 7 and multiplicative inverse will be its reciprocal, and that will be a 7 by minus 2. Okay, 7 by minus 2. Next is question number 12, 102 divided by 117. Its additive inverse is minus 100 over 117 and multiplicative inverse is 117 over 102. How? This you can also check. Its additive inverse 102 over 117. Now additive inverse 102 divided by 117. In this number, which number you will add so that you can get the answer 0? If you will add minus 102 over 117, after taking its LCM 117, 102 minus 102, it will be, this will cancel and 0 by 117, it will be equal to 0. So its additive inverse is this one, minus 102 divided by 117. Next is its multiplicative inverse. For finding multiplicative inverse, you will take the reciprocal of the given number 102 over 117. For finding its multiplicative inverse, you will multiply with its reciprocal 117 over 102. It will be equal to 1. How? This will cancel all and answer will be 1. So like this way students you can find out the multiplicative inverse and additive inverse of all questions of exercise 2.2. question number 1, all parts will be solved according to this pattern, and these all questions you have to solve at home on your registers, and we will also provide you its solution when you in diary. So you should prepare this lecture and also write on your registers. I hope you have understood. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.